reason why I said the trend trading strategy is very important whenever you are trading any of the forex assets. Okay, and just the way you're seeing these assets on the charts, then definitely I'm going to use this to explain to you why it is important for you to be able to identify the trend first before you go into any trade. You can see these trading activities, it actually started from this support zone. Okay, and you're going to see where it ended, and you're going to see what happened after it ended. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to to reply your messages. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, whatever strategy you learn from here or anywhere, make sure you practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. That is very, very important. Okay. So now let's go straight into what we have right here. This particular asset started from this support zone. It got to the support zone. It was unable to break out from there. Tried it out 3 times. Okay, like I have always been telling you, there are two things that can happen from there. When it gets to a major support zone, it is either it breaks out below it for it to continue to sell, or it changed the direction of the trend. In this situation, it was unable to break out below it. So it started an uptrend right from there. Okay. So this turned into an uptrend right from there. Okay. So it changed the direction into an uptrend right from there. Okay. So that is why we are having this happening. Okay. So this actually changed the color into a yellow color. The yellow color signifies that the market is on uptrend at that particular point, and it gave us so many buy order. So let's see what happened within this uptrend. You can see it kept on going on and on and on. There are pullbacks in between, but it was more of an uptrend than a downtrend. And if I'm going to give you more information about this, you will be shocked the time about the time frame we are having this uptrend. Okay, this is on 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine you starting an uptrend right from this support region and going on and on and on like this till it got to this resistance zone where it can no longer break out above it. Okay, so it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it. So it's changed the direction of the trend into a downtrend. At this point, you can see the red flag and of course the red arrows, which signify sells. Okay, so this gave us more selling opportunity right from there to this very end, which is another beautiful trading opportunity, guys. And of course, this actually got to the support zone also, and it was unable to break out from there. Like I have been telling you, if it's not able, if it's unable to break out from the support or the resistance region, it will always change the trend. So check it out. It changed the trend again, and check out what we got. Went up to break out above the last resistance zone, and of course, it is still buying, guys. It is still buying. That is the beautiful part of it. So what are we supposed to do before we place any trade? Number one, we should be able to identify the trend. Number two, we should be able to identify the major resistance zone and the major support zone. And of course, we should wait for the action to take place. Is it going to break out from there, or probably it's going to change the direction of the trend? Once you are able to identify all these, then you are most likely to milk the market positively within that period. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So if you are smart enough, you will be able to put all this together and use it to milk the market always. Okay, and of course, guys, For those of you who are finding it difficult to analyze or probably identify some of these things, you can lay your hands on the on indicators or trading tools that can help you to achieve this. If you don't have anyone at all, here is a custom-made indicator. It shows you when the market is on uptrend or just going into it. It shows you when the market is on downtrend. It gives you the entry points and of course the exit points. Okay, it all depends on how good you are in using this trading tool. Okay, so that is it. So you can reach out to me via WhatsApp to know more about it. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, and do not forget to join the Telegram channel because right there I will be sending down some trading signals that you guys can take advantage of right there. The link is going to be down there in the description box, and I will try as much as possible to add the link to the comment section. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.